Okay, so I thought I'd do a little video about cleaning my solar panels. I just want to see if there's any point in doing so. So it's about 11:30 in the morning, and this is what we're generating at the minute. So it's a nice sunny day, sunniest it's been for quite a while. 1950 watts, give or take. So we'll give ourselves an hour to get them cleaned, come back and see what we're doing then. That way the sun's going to be, well, if it's at its highest point at midday, then half an hour before and half an hour after. Okay, luckily mine are quite accessible, so I'm on a little flat roof here. I don't know how well this comes across, but there's quite a lot of dust on these. Especially towards the bottom of the panels. Okay, halfway done now. I don't know how well it comes across on the camera, but basically I can see my face in it now. So that's half of them done. 8 more still to go. Okay, so just got a break in the clouds. It's 1 o'clock, and this is what we're up to. So cleaning the panels definitely improves performance.